What's up, everybody? It's been quite a while since I put out a video. Been super busy with a lot of things. Had some family health issues, I guess. Other just family trying to help out. Had some bad situations happen, issues. And as you can see, my garage is a disaster. But I did get the Scout frame painted. There's a bike I gotta fix. I'm actually, no bullshit, sleeping right there in the canvas cutter because my whole family is sick right now, hacking and coughing all night. So we're all trying to get some sleep. So we're scattered out throughout the whole house, and I'm out in the garage sleeping in my canvas cutter so I can sleep where it's quiet and I can do this videoing because everybody's hacking and coughing, which sucks, but it is what it is. Stuff happens. We'll move on. But anyway, apologies for not having a video out forever. So I'm going to have a bunch of videos coming up here. I'm going to try and get them edited and releasing one a week. Shooting for Wednesdays. We'll see how it goes. But like I said, I've been super busy. I'll try and update you guys as we go. Keep you up to date on all of the builds. We've got some new ones. I'll show you guys those. We've got some old ones we've made progress on. And I've changed my mind on a few other things. So anyway, here is a little video to start off me hopefully being able to do a video every week. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys, over here today at Mi Madre's casa, and gonna put battery back in the old Ford here. What did you say this was, 62?
62.
62 Ford. We got it running, what, 2 or 3 months ago? Gonna take it over to his shop and start working on it, turn it into a little lowered rat rod. We'll get it running, get it over there, and kind of give you guys a lowdown on what he's got going on. And then as much as I can, I will go give you guys updates on progress. If you guys don't follow Aaron already, Aaron Matthews Designs on Instagram, and I'll be kind of trying to do my best to follow along on his build because I'm going to be moving a bunch of my stuff over to his shop too and doing some stuff out of there. Well, battery's in, see if she fires up. It's been a little bit.
Do we have a choke working?
I don't remember if we did or not. Let me go look. Nope, that's not hooked up. Fired right up. Just had to choke her a little bit. She's alive. Guys, that truck hadn't run in 35 years, and spark plugs, new fuel filter, and a little bit of carb work, and she's driving. She's smoking a little bit. We had another carb on there, and it kept running fuel, way too much fuel in there. So we got to drain the oil. It's got a lot of fuel in it right now, so we're going to drain the oil and put new oil in it. Well, guys, I made it. Something like 20 miles over here I drove in that thing. Hadn't been driven in almost 30 years. We put about 300 bucks into water pump, spark plugs, fuel filter, a couple fuel lines. Fuel pump still works, everything drives. These old bias ply tires, though, she shook pretty bad coming over the hill there, but we made it. Killed it right there as I was coming into the parking lot up the hill, but not too bad. Show you guys some other stuff he's got here. So what truck is this one right here then?
That's a 49 Chevy. It's gonna be, I'm gonna make it into like a mobile prop, like for photography and photo shoots, and
it's gonna be awesome.
So it's gonna be mobile. So you can take it apart, put it inside a building and assemble it to look like a lowered Chevy. sitting inside of a building.
Sweet. And then what's the plans with this thing then?
This will be eventually clear coated, lowered. I'm ordering real white walls for it, switching out different rims just to get rid of the original bead locks. Basically just a fun little rat rod truck, and I'll probably do my business name on the doors just as a delivery truck.
Sweet.
But obviously anything I've made in the past or fixed up in the past ends up selling, so.
Oh, this is what you're working on,
Rick? I just cut
Rick?
off the back of this 60s Dodge trailer to make a sofa.
That's pretty cool.
And then I just scrapped the whole rest of the trailer at the junkyard. So
Nice. Win in two ways, right?
yeah. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna build feet for this, get new lenses, so you'll be able to plug it in and these will glow, and then I'll just do a little bit to it, but it's gonna be clear coated. Haven't decided yet if it should have like a leather seat or just leave it the rusty bed.
That's pretty sweet.
It's gonna be a Dodge sofa.
Nice. So yeah, if you guys haven't already checked him out, go check out Aaron Matthews Designs on Instagram, and you'll be seeing a lot more of his stuff on this channel also. I'm going to be at some point here kind of moving some of my stuff in here. We're going to split this shop, and then I might be, I don't know if it's still for sale or not. We'll see if I can talk my wife into it. There's one over here that I'd like to buy so we have a little bit more space, but you know how it goes, always time and money. Here's a couple more things he's built around in here. Like I said, if you guys are interested, hit him up on Instagram. Got some old snowman from Christmas time.
Bar,
Here's the bar
C10 bar.
of an old C10 Chevy tailgate.
Yeah, there's better photos on my Instagram page. So,
thanks for watching, guys. Sorry again for the lack of videos lately, but like I said, I've been super busy. Anyway, I was just over moving some of my stuff into the shop today, actually, and I will have a little bit of an update, hopefully this next week, on what's going on with his build. He's been working on it with his kids and trying to get a lot of his stuff that he was living in the house or in the shop with moved out, and I've been trying to get over and help him kind of clean some stuff out and get my stuff moved in. Like I said, you can see I've got crap everywhere in here. Too much tools, too much stuff, not enough space. But I also have a piece of my new project right there that I'll show you guys in one of the upcoming videos. If you want to watch the progress on these projects, stay tuned and I'll do my best to update you. Don't forget to subscribe and like, share, all that good stuff. Really appreciate you guys' views, and we will see you next week.